Hi there, this is Nadia from Brexit 365 team, and I'm software provider for rental management. Today we will be talking about the specification groups and why do you need them in rental management. First, let's define what is the specification group. It's basically the collection of defined attributes that are applied to a particular group of assets. This group of assets can be machinery, can be equipment, vehicles, or any other physical assets. And what is the purpose of the specification group? First of all, it helps to ensure that all assets within the group meet the same standards. That helps to ensure consistent quality and performance and also help with maintenance and repair. And now I would like to show you how it actually looks like in application. Let me share my screen with you. First of all, we will go to the Asset Management module and find in the configuration the Specification Groups tab. In here, you can see we already have a couple of specifications created for our assets group. Let's open just one, and here we will see the different attributes, for example, for the BMW specifications, right? It can be any other descriptions that you need to add as a text. It can be also the fuel tank capacity, which you will define in the decimal number. Also, if it's a new vehicle or used vehicle, numbers of tires, what type of tires. Also, you can quickly create a new specification group from Create New button here. And also, you can find the specification groups assigned already to your asset group when you go to the Asset Group tab. Open the Any Asset Group record here. And you can find the specification group already assigned. For example, for the scissor lift, you have the scissor lift specification, and you can find the corresponding records as well. Here we go. That was all I wanted to share with you today about the specification group and how easy to create them in Brexit 365. If you have any questions, you are more than welcome to reach me out in LinkedIn or just drop me a message for a quick consultation call.